Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick in Figma, how to keep your icons and objects fixed inside a frame so they don't accidentally wander off or get misaligned as you're designing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make sure everything stays perfectly organized inside your frames, which is essential for creating clean, professional UI designs. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Figma. If you're following along, go ahead and open up your Figma file now. Maybe you're working on an app screen or a web layout. Whatever it is, this technique is going to help bring some order to your workspace. Now take a look. Here I have a sample object on my canvas. This could be an icon, a logo, or any design element you're using in your project. It's just kind of sitting here, seemingly inside the frame, but let's test what's really happening. The next step is to select the frame itself. You can do this by clicking directly on the edge of the frame or by finding it in the Layers panel on the left. With the frame selected, try moving it around your canvas. You'll notice something important. The sample object doesn't move together with the frame, it just stays where it is. In other words, it's not actually a part of the frame yet. This can be a little confusing, especially if you're new to Figma or coming from other design tools where objects seem to stick automatically. What's happening here is that visually the object appears to be inside the frame, but technically Figma sees it as unrelated. As a result, if you move or resize your frame, your icons or objects might get left behind and your layout can start to fall apart. Not ideal. So to fix this and really attach your object to the frame, we'll need to use the Layers tab. On the left side of your screen, make sure the Layers panel is visible. If it's collapsed, just click to open it up. Here you'll see a list of everything in your project: frames, groups, text, and all your objects. Find the name of your sample object. It might just say Rectangle 1, or maybe you've given it a custom name. Now here's the key part. Simply drag the object layer so it sits inside the frame layer. If the frame was named Frame 1, for example, you want your object to be indented beneath it in the layers list. Sometimes it can be a little fiddly, so take your time with this part, and don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get it exactly where you want. Once you've done that, you've successfully made your object a child of the frame. Now try moving the frame around again. See what happens this time. Your object moves right along with the frame, just like you'd expect. This little step can save you tons of time and headaches down the road, especially as your designs get more complex and you're juggling lots of layers and components. If you ever find things shifting out of place, double-check that your elements are nested properly in the Layers panel. And that's really all there is to it. Keeping your icons and objects fixed inside a frame in Figma is just a matter of organizing your layers. Give it a try the next time you're working on a project, and you'll notice how much smoother your workflow becomes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, maybe you ran into a snag or you're curious about more Figma tips, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.